Welcome and let's talk about Tectonic burning. Now according to statistics, for Tectonic token to really hit a high level price increase, Tectonic token needs to destroy the circulating supply. It have over 500 trillion coins in circulation. Now people believe that with VVS Finance, with Crypto.com, Hotbit, and then we believe Tectonic can get more exchange listing. Tectonic token can burn about 1 billion coins daily. Now burning 1 billion coins daily simply means 30 billion coins in a single month, which in a year Tectonic token can be burning about 360 billion coins. Well, burning 1 billion coins daily will not really push Tectonic token to really increase in price if in terms of the circulating supply, because 500 trillion coins in circulation, and in a year Tectonic token is burning just 360 or 500 billion coins. I don't think that is going to really bring an impact. That is why Tectonic token needs to burn billions of coins in a day. Now the only way Tectonic token can start this journey is by destroying some certain circulating supply, because right now the circulating supply and the total supply, we have over 110 circulating supply, and Tectonic token have about 500 trillion coins that have been supplied. Now I think the developers just need one thing to be done, just one single thing need to be done, and what needs to be done is for the developers to actually destroy 80% of the total supply of Tectonic token. Oh yes, I mean, you are asking how can they really do this. The truth is, I have checked Tectonic statistics. I've checked Tectonic, discovered that the top holders of this coin, I mean the top 50 holders actually holding almost 95% of the coins. Okay, so that is a good one for I think holders, because it simply means it will be easier if these holders can really come together to say, look, let us burn some of our holding. And remember, the developers are part of these holders, but the developers of Tectonic token are holding the largest part of Tectonic token coin, which it will be easier for these developers to really support this coin by destroying some circulating supply, some of their holdings. I believe this is going to really help the Tectonic token, because if it in terms of burning 1 billion coins daily, then even in 1 year, even in 3 years, Tectonic token can only burn about 1 trillion coins. So it's going to take Tectonic token more than 50 years to burn out all the circulating supply, even more than that. Then that simply means that Tectonic token, for this coin to really burn, I think they need a massive burn. They need to burn more than 1 to 10 trillion coins in 6 months. So if they can burn up to 20 trillion coins in a year, that simply means in 5 years Tectonic will be burning 100 trillion coins, which simply means it will be taking Tectonic token about almost many years before they can burn out the 500 trillion coins. So I think Tectonic token need to do what they need to really burn out 80% of the total supply. Well, if they can only have the circulating supply, which is about 110 trillion, I think that alone can really help push Tectonic token to really increase in price. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.